大家还记得跟我一起吃火锅的迪拜土豪吗？他表示从来没有吃过这样的美味。我决定今天要在滑雪场再给他一个惊喜。
我想干这件事情已经很久了，所有的装备都在我这一个包里。你想象吧，带着火锅来滑雪，在一个沙漠城市，外面50度的温度，在这里面零下4度。我很想体验一下在雪里面吃火锅的感觉是什么样。可能在整个阿联酋，在整个迪拜雪场，我是第一个能这样干的吧。Really excited at the moment 。这是他第一次，他就要跟我上高级道了。Are you ready?
First time.
Go slow, my friend. Relax.
Go slow.
Remember what I tell you. Go slow. Oh, the first time is very good. Go slow. Yes. You're good. It's your first time. Go slow. Go slow, my friend. You're so good. Woo! So good. You made it. You're so good. 第一次滑雪真的已经太不容易了。这就是在阿联酋冰与火的体验，在最热的中东去感受一下在北极圈的温度。哦 What's your feeling? We're gonna have the hot pot in the snow.
When?
Now?
Now?
Yes.
Let's do it.
Okay. Let's go there. 这是整个雪场的一个咖啡室，我们今天所有的计划在这完成。我很少做这种疯狂的事，知道吗？我觉得越来越有意思了。Finally， 我们终于到这个滑雪场的内部了。So we have our job to do. You're going to make the fire. I'm going to prepare all the food and everything.
Okay.
And you start to heat the food. Is okay?
Okay.
Yeah, we're here. Yeah, we do here.
I'll be around, I think.
No wrong. That's the magic. Is that cool or not? Just tell me it's cool or not. 我觉得他们这个阿拉伯的几个朋友都已经被我震呆了。Beef?
What's this?
Mushroom.
Mushroom. It comes smoking.
No smoking. It's going. You see it here. 1782 watts.
Okay.
That's how this one running. 还有我们 special 的 the sauce. This is the point to make the soup. It's so crazy. This is so crazy. 绝了，真的绝了！我越来越兴奋。
How are you? Good?
Yeah, man, good. We're just running the machine.
There is no fire.
No fire, nothing. Just the heating. We see how the machine working in this, temperature. 看他跑那么远。他说他不想认识我们。You're free? You don't need to make the fire. 他又过来笑我们。We are crazy always.
You are crazy, really. You are crazy. Who is do it like this?
不到3分钟啊，你看就已经煮开了，看得清。我去，这个烟太大了。Let's go slow.
See the smoke. I'll see the smoke.
Let's go for it. Okay, done. So now we put it back. 我们现在开始下肉了。Okay, it's done. 我可以确定，这绝对在阿拉伯世界是第一次。我很幸运的把一个阿拉伯人拖来和我一起疯。It's so free. 我们用了2分钟的时间，刚才把水烧开了，把菜加进去了以后，我估计1分钟以后，我们就可以。Last 1 minute, we can start to eat. It's done.
Yeah. Yeah, like the smell.
It's done. After it's boiling, we can eat.
My brain. Exciting to eat.
我们要快一点，因为我很怕等下保安就过来。
This one is not allowed, sir.
Ah, okay. We just hot some soup and then we go.
No, you have to ask permission from them.
Ah, okay. We
Because
close it.
this one is
No problem. No
created-
problem. We close it already. We just try the machine. We don't know. It's finished.
No.
We're done. Finish. Okay. Sorry for that. We will move in a while. 刚才这成像的把我们显示出来了。Now we eat and we go. Let's eat.
Try, Muhammad.
Try.
Chinese food.
It's so good.
Great.
I got always try.
Spicy.
It's good.
Spicy. You bit too much spicy? Alright.
完全可以吃了，3分钟的时间，我们就能吃上一锅热腾腾的火锅了。You like it?
I like it with the spicy direct comes here.
Let's go, Mo. 我们要赶紧吃，吃了就要逃跑了。Cheers. You think here? I go wrong, man. I have to run. The policeman is coming.
You have to run now.
I have to run. 他们在等我，我赶紧拿着装备先走了。See you later, young man. Cheers. 我终于做到了。这个现场做完了以后，我赶紧要坐着索条，带着我的设备离开这个地方了。但是证明了，在雪地里面，你有一个这样的设备，你不用生活了，你可以直接开始你的表演了。Okay, see you guys. Bye.